Truck. Yeah. Just go.
Max, you can't stop.
You went out, you son of a gun.
You gotta keep
Peter,
going twice.
you're up.
Really much.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh.
Michael, wait for me to start running just a little bit.
Okay.
I'll tell you when to go. Go.
Oh, I'm not ready. I was too busy licking myself. 3, 2, 1, go.
No, you ran too fast.
Adrenaline.
You went around. Run.
Ah!
Alright,
You know, get another one just like this, baby.
We're each doing one more, Peter.
2, 1, go.
Alright, we're seeing
Peter,
That was lame.
This is the last one for each of us. Ready?
These weren't as good as the ones earlier.
Hey,
Yes, they-
we'll each do one more, Peter. Don't jump when you do it.
Go.
That's because I stopped.
Yeah, keep going and then jump.
No, if I go full speed at him, then I'm gonna have less momentum coming this way.
Last one. You guys just stand there.
Fine.
Stand right
Stop
there,
and
not
then
like-
jump.
Ready?
Just stand there. I'm gonna.
No, and then jump.
Start
Jump.
right there. Start
Don't
right there.
move. No.
Yes! Go!
Jump, Max.
No.
Yeah.
No! Wait, I wanna get a little. I know I'm gonna fly, so.
3,
Go.
2, 1, go. Ah!
I had to make sure I didn't touch the wall.
All right, Peter.
Hold on. That didn't even hurt.
You didn't do this
That
though.
was like a tickle. Ooh, that was funny.
Okay, man, sexy face.
Are you
Am my eyes
ready?
dilated?
I'm gonna scoot back.
It's all black over here. You can't see anything.
Wait. That'll solve the problem.
Lights.
Are you ready?
Yeah.